it's me, Trisha. Welcome to my channel, La Vie en Rose, where we talk about all things learning of French, trying to become an expat, as well as my life, daily life. So, welcome to my channel. We have with us, I don't know if you can see her. Can you see her? Shelby Colette. I gave her the middle name Colette because it just fit. So anyway, I hope that everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I wanted to talk a little bit about what my methods were with trying to learn French, what that looked like, and what it all means, right? So let's get started. I have been studying for the past year. I started in August 2019, fully being inspired by my sister, who decided to, with proper planning, of course, she decided to move overseas to Colombia, in Medellin. And her bravery. Mind you, this woman is married with 2 kids. Okay. And she's a person who loves to be overseas. She likes to travel and be international. And so understanding that she already owned her own home in the States and, you know, had a job here in the States, she decided to pick up her job, pick up her children, not her job, her job too, actually. Let me get that right. She picked up everyone and decided to move overseas. And so she's been in Medellin for the past year. And because of her bravery, oh my God, I almost choked. Oh. Because of her bravery, it just really resonated with me and made me decide that, you know what? I want to move to France too. So here we are. I am not in France right now. I know. However, I am making strides and doing that all because of the fearlessness that she has had. This is something that I've always wanted to live in France. I've always wanted to be in Paris. I remember, and I even found journal entries. I found some journal entries, y'all, showing that I took the time to try to learn it. And I would just have these constant start and stops in my life. And so now fully being involved, fully like hit the ground running, being obsessed. Because honestly, if you're going to learn a language, you have to be obsessed, because that is what will take you further into hopefully becoming fluent enough, or at least having an ear and understanding some of the words to be able to continue with it. With that being said, I found someone on YouTube who ended up tutoring me for a while too. And having her was excellent. It was great. Any hoot. So I also picked up on, I downloaded the free app Duolingo, and I started using that as also supplementary. So is it supplementary or supplementary? It don't matter. Supplementary to having on every weekly my sessions with my tutor, which did get a little costly, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. And also being able to have Duolingo there. Honestly, you guys, I started downloading a whole bunch of stuff that was free French lessons. But it's one of those things like you get like a free thing here or there, and then they want you to purchase the entire package or upgrade, and you get unlimited skips, or you get additional assistance, and you get all these additional things to become a plus member. And to me, and I'm sorry about the air quotes, I keep throwing them out there because I don't know, I'm just doing it. So anyway, so the point is that I really started investing into this. Hey guys, so at this point I realized that I was rambling on and on about some of my desires about moving over to France. I did go to France in January for my birthday of this year, so that was before COVID. I was so thankful to have that opportunity to go and do it during an off season where it's not so crowded. So I highly recommend that if you're going to go, definitely visit during off season times. Also, the next set of videos that you will see, the lighting change, so I wanted to give you a heads up on that because it does look different. So everyone, as I was saying, there are different methods, and I have found some to be very helpful. There is one by, and they are not sponsoring this video. I don't have enough views to be sponsored at this point. But I found that the app Memrise, M-E-M-R-I-S-E, to be very good in the sense that they actually have, it's very short clips of saying things like, je sais pas, which means I don't know. Instead of saying je ne sais pas, you say je sais pas. You take off the ne part because that's speaking more modern and speaking more like the common folk. Je ne sais pas is still good and proper and the right way to learn. That's, of course, learn the right way, and then when you get, you know, you're a little fluent, then you could be like, chop it up. And Memorize is a good companion, but they are one of those apps that I was telling you about that does require package purchase. So I think they do have a deal every once in a while, so you just have to check for that. I am still looking for different methods of learning. I have taken on the idea of watching Netflix and putting subtitles in English, seeing if I can remember some of the words that are there. That is a really good vocabulary builder. I also have subscribed to a French news TV on my Roku. That is very helpful as well. That's been helping me a lot. Just listening to how they speak and sorry, I got distracted. Apologies. How they speak and all that stuff. So I recommend using that. Those are my ideas. If you guys have any other ideas that I could utilize that I did not mention, please by all means comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are, what you think. One day I will be there and be in Paris again, and hopefully it will be permanent. And permanent means like 2 years. Permanently there for 2 years and then seeing what happens, right, Shelby? I'll take that means right. She agrees with me. So we'll see. And if you like this video and if you like this channel, please by all means become a fellow rose with me, where we see life in pink. That's what la vie rose means. Life in pink. And we live our lives in pink. Not rose-colored glasses that is distorted, but life in pink. So subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification button or bell, excuse me, and let me know what you think. Take care, guys.